11 ways to use gerunds. Maybe you wonder, gerunds? What's that? Here are 4 sentences. In these sentences, shopping, being, cooking, and meeting are gerunds. But today, I'm going to give you more than 100 examples to make sure that you understand exactly how to use them. Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb that ends in ing, but, be careful here, it is used as a noun. For example, swimming. In this sentence, she is swimming in the lake. Swimming is used as a verb. But, what if I say, watermelon is refreshing? Watermelon is a noun. Now, I'm going to switch watermelon for swimming. Swimming is refreshing. In this sentence, swimming is used as a noun. It means it is a gerund. So today I will explain all uses of the gerund and I'm going to give you lots of practice, so be ready to talk. Get ready to take notes. The gerund has 11 different uses. I know it is a lot, but don't worry. We are going to take them one by one and I will explain them super clearly. Let's get started. The first one is using the gerund as the object of a sentence. Here's an example. She enjoys So if you ask what after the verb, you are looking for the object of the verb. So she enjoys what? She enjoys painting. So painting is the object of the verb. It is the object of the sentence. Now let's practice. What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you think, I don't have any ideas. Here are some ideas that you can use to make your sentence. But remember, keep the same pattern. I enjoy plus gerund. For example, you could say, I enjoy working. I enjoy drinking coffee. I enjoy watching YouTube. Here's another example. I avoid driving in heavy traffic. I avoid what? And the answer is driving, so driving is the object. Let's practice. What do you avoid doing? Here are some ideas if you don't have any ideas. I avoid drinking too much. I avoid eating fried food. Now, many verbs are followed by the gerund. Here are some of them. We have just seen enjoy and avoid, but there are many other ones. For example, I suggest taking a break. Would you mind closing the window? She finished writing the report late last night. He decided to quit smoking for his health. She practices playing the piano every day. She keeps forgetting her keys. He misses playing soccer with his friends. Can you imagine living on Mars? He mentioned going to the meeting next week. So all of these verbs are followed by a gerund. Number 2, subject of a sentence. Here's an example. So, makes me happy. So if you ask what before the verb, then you are looking for the subject of the sentence. So, what makes me happy? And the answer is dancing. Dancing makes me happy. So dancing is your subject. Here we go. Let's practice. What makes you happy? Ready? Make sure you speak. Make sure you say it out loud because that's the only way you can improve. Let's go together. Traveling makes me happy. Eating chocolate makes me happy. Watching English Speaking 360 makes me happy. If you said this or if you agree, make sure you subscribe. Here's another example. Running helps me stay in shape. Great. Now let's practice. What helps you stay in shape? Some ideas? You could say, doing yoga helps me stay in shape. Swimming helps me stay in shape. Biking helps me stay in shape. Number 3, gerund after adjective plus preposition. So this is 3A. You will see why there's a 3A and a 3B very soon. Here's an example. He is afraid of flying. So in this case, you have afraid, which is the adjective, and you have the preposition of, afraid of. So they always work together as a group. He's afraid of something. And after that, you need the ing form of the verb, which is the gerund. Okay? So let's practice. What are you afraid of? Here are some ideas. Oh, I'm afraid of speaking in public. I'm afraid of getting lost. Here's one more example. They are excited about going on vacation. So one more time, excited is your adjective and about is your preposition. So they are excited about going on vacation. What are you excited about these days? Oh, I'm excited about getting a pay raise. I'm excited about meeting new people. 3A was gerund after adjective and preposition. 3B is object of a preposition, which is the same thing. It's just a different way to say it, but some people say it like this. So, I'm interested in learning Spanish. So you can say, I'm interested in what? And you're asking it after in, so you're looking for the object of the preposition in. I'm interested in learning. So I'm interested in learning Spanish. So learning is the object of the preposition in. Let's practice. What are you interested in doing? Oh, I'm interested in shopping online. I'm interested in baking cookies. He is good at solving puzzles. Once again, you have a preposition at. He is good at what? Solving puzzles. So this is the object of the preposition at. What are you good at doing? Oh, I'm good at cooking. I'm good at playing video games. So for 3A and 3B, I have given you 4 different examples. Afraid of, excited about, interested in, good at, but there are many other ones. She is tired of waiting for the bus. He's famous for writing mystery novels. She's responsible for organizing the event. He's involved in developing the new project. He is proud of winning the contest. He was angry about being late. She is sick of hearing the same excuses. He is capable of leading the team. She is sure of winning the race. They felt sorry for missing the meeting. He was happy about getting a promotion. He is worried about failing the exam. And he is bored with doing the same thing every day. So you see in all of those examples right here, adjective plus a preposition, and you always need to use the gerund after that combination. Number 4, complement of a subject after a linking verb. This is it's a little bit technical, but here's an example. Their main goal is winning the championship. So winning the championship is describing the goal. So that's why we call it a complement of the subject. So the main goal, what is the main goal? Winning the championship. And the linking verb is the verb is, the verb to be. So their main goal is winning the championship. What is your main goal? My main goal is making money. My main goal is opening my own business. One of my duties is supervising the team. One more time, duties, you need more information, so supervising the team equals duties, one of her duties. What is one of your duties at work? One of my duties is handling cash. One of my duties is organizing the schedule. Number 6, expressing a reason or a cause for plus gerund. She was rewarded for working hard. So what was the reason why she was rewarded? It was for working hard. What have you been rewarded for? Oh, I have been rewarded for studying well. I've been rewarded for finding a wallet. One more example. I apologized for interrupting his phone call. Have you ever apologized? For what? Oh yes, I've apologized for breaking something. I've apologized for being late. I've apologized for not calling back. Number 7, gerund after phrasal verbs. Very important. So whenever you have a phrasal verb, you have to use the gerund. She gave up. Gave up is a phrasal verb. It's a verb plus a preposition. So she gave up smoking. Have you given up anything recently? Ah, yes, I have given up gambling. I have given up spending too much money. He looks forward to meeting you. He looks forward to, so look forward to is a phrasal verb. He looks forward to meeting you. What are you looking forward to? I'm looking forward to going on vacation. I'm looking forward to visiting my family. Number 8, gerund after possessive. Okay, this one is a little bit difficult. He insisted on my coming to the meeting. He said, you must come. So he insisted on my coming to the meeting. My is your possessive, and after that you have to use a gerund. Who recently insisted that you do something? Think about it. This one is more difficult. Here are some ideas. My mom insisted on my cleaning my room. My boss insisted on my working overtime. We were surprised by his leaving so early. Who surprised you by doing something unusual? My sister surprised me by her cooking so well. My boss surprised me by his being so kind. Number 10, gerund in comparative construction. I find reading books more satisfying than watching movie. So you are comparing two activities, reading books versus watching movies, and that always requires the gerund. How about you? Which do you find more satisfying, reading books or watching movies? For me, I do find reading books more satisfying than watching movies. Another example, they enjoy hiking more than cycling. So once again, you are comparing two different activities, hiking and cycling. Which do you enjoy more, swimming or jogging? Oh, I enjoy swimming more than jogging. Number 11, gerund in passive voice sentences. He dislikes being interrupted during meetings. He doesn't like when people interrupt him. So he dislikes being interrupted. So being interrupted is the past participle. Interrupt, interrupted, interrupted. The third one. So being interrupted is the passive voice. Let's practice. What do you dislike? Here are some ideas. I dislike being forgotten. I dislike being misunderstood. One more example. Being chosen as the team leader was an honor for her. Okay, being chosen. What was a great honor for you? Think about it. Here are some ideas. Being selected as the best teacher in my school was a great honor for me. Being praised by the principal of my school was a great honor for me. Being awarded a trophy for the best teacher in the whole school district was a great honor for me. Good job, guys. So there you have it. We have covered 11 different uses of the gerund, and make sure you try to use them as much as possible. Are you interested in learning more useful English? If so, click on the videos on the right-hand side. Once again, thank you for joining me and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.